Hi everybody, welcome to Unique You, initiative by RCJVPD. She's the perfect blend of passion, wisdom, entrepreneurial brilliance. A woman who leads with her heart, thinks with her vision, and creates passion. With a fire in her soul and a purpose that knows no bounds. She walks a path guided by faith, purpose, and unwavering determination. She excludes a powerful persona and radiant aura of strength, wisdom, and positivity. She doesn't just walk a path, she creates one, inspiring, changing, and leaving a mark of brilliance. Guess who is she? Our host, who is going to be co-hosting this vibrant initiative. Guess karo? None other than Raksha Pokharna. Let's welcome her. Welcome, Raksha.
Hello, Simran. Oh, thank you so much, Simran. You have been so generous to describe me. That shows how beautiful you are from inside. So, here, my co-host, Simran, her soul dances to the rhythm of music and culinary creativity, both serving as her ultimate stress busters. But beyond the flavors and melodies, her heartbeats for family, they are her greatest treasure, her forever priority. And here we welcome Simran Kalbani.
Thank you for such a lovely welcome. Happy to be co-hosting this beautiful panel with you.
रक्षा कॉफी पी पी के बोर हो गई भूख लगी है
Oh, my foodie friend, I knew it already. So, something is cooking here. तुझे खुशबू नहीं आई?
आ रही है
खुशबू आ रही है ना?
smell somebody
क्योंकि we are having somebody from the kitchen. The master chef, none other than Seema Pratap.
she is not bossy
She
but
is the boss. So boss lady
boss.
is here.
yes our favorite vibrant spreading smiles
And always full of energy.
yes
Thank you. Thank you for being so happy today. Seeing me, it makes me happy too.
of course
So-
आप आए तो हम बहुत खुश हैं
आप आए बाहर
Oh,
आई.
wow.
So
मैं
here-
आई तो छोले भटूरे आए, बाहर नहीं भी आई तो चलेगा.
खुशबू भी आई सीमा खुशबू
That's
भी आई
fantastic. That's fantastic. The chole bhaturas. We are really hungry now. So Punjab Di Kudi is here. A chef, a teacher, an event planner, and still manages to look effortlessly fabulous. Meet Seema, a woman who wears many hats and probably cooks under all of them. A passionate chef by profession, she whips up magic in the kitchen, serving flavors to make you forget your diet. Married to Mr. Sanjay Pratap, a hotelier and a owner of Stump and Pratap's Da Dhaba, proud mommy of 3 kids. She ensures that while he runs the restaurant, she keeps the kitchen experiments alive at home. When she's not busy cooking up a storm, she's shaping young minds, teaching maths and science at Spark Foundation for over 10 years. Oh, that's a phenomenal journey. With an MSc in chemistry, she knows exactly what reaction creates the perfect recipe, whether in the kitchen or in the life. I totally agree to it, Seema. As the president of Archana Club, an event planner and an excellent host, Seema ensures that every gathering is fabulous. She has the perfect recipe for success and she has the perfect recipe for a beautiful smile. Wherever she goes, she brings a lot of positivity and we all agree to it.
yes
Thank you.
You know what?
Thank you for such a
she
wonderful.
rubs her energy on everybody.
Everybody.
And that's the fact. Really
And she's
energetic.
such a warm, I barely knew Seema, but I don't know what positive energy she shares with me whenever I meet her. It's an memorable experience
It is.
being with her.
No, it was my pleasure too. Both of you just welcomed us with open hearts. So, thank you.
No,
So
you
happy
deserve
to
a
have you on our show, the
Thank
Unique
you.
You,
Thank you.
RCJVPT podcast initiative. and I'm sure this chat is going to be full of food.
Oh
And
yes.
full of fun.
Fun.
Yes.
For me, it's going to be food because I'm a
Ah,
foodie
you
by
are
heart.
foodie. Seema, before you share the chola bhatura recipe with her, she's super hungry. Can you arrange something from your stamba?
Oh yes, why not? Just after the podcast, let's have dinner.
Oh, really?
So my favorite dialogue is "Khana kha ke jana."
So tell us about your journey, Seema. How did you, right from your marriage, how did you, start your journey?
Oh, so I always loved cooking, though I was very good in studies, but that cooking, food has always been my passion. And I don't know, I and Sanjay are poles apart, but one thing, always bonds us, and that is food. He was a restaurateur, a hotelier, and both had the same passion for food. So it's a funny story that after my wedding, wherever he took me, and to the restaurants or anything, so he made me have, like if he ordered a noodles, he made me have 3 plates of that same noodles so that I can go home and cook the same thing. So at times it got boring because, but it was really fun. So we have come that far because we both share that same passion.
And she knew the key, husband के दिल में जाने का रास्ता उसके पेट से होता है.
And you did a fab job.
And she's still doing.
Yeah, that's so interesting. So you actually go home and replicate it.
Yeah, that is our job basically.
So good.
That is what he wanted. I don't know if I could, but that is what he wanted.
I'm sure.
So he was very clear, making you understand what he wants.
Yeah.
So Seema, recently we have visited your newly opened the restaurant, Stamba.
Stamba,
It's a
yeah.
more of brewery, what I believe.
Yeah.
So what all you serve, like when we say, it's all in-house beers?
Yeah,
or
so
how?
we are making our own beers. We have breweries of friends who are helping us. So some beers we are taking from them, but we give them our own recipes, and most of the beers we are making it ourselves. And then the food is all bar food, but we did not want it to be a typical bar kind of setup, so we have really good food there. So we are giving lot of experimental food, and people are loving it. Thankfully,
We
thanks.
loved it too.
Actually.
And the dhaba is our favorite.
Thank
it's been
you.
in Andheri
And the
since
black
years.
rice of your Stamba. So
yeah.
that's really
Thank
very
you.
nice.
Signature.
So Seema, I mean, you have been into an NGO, associated with NGO for quite a long time, and
Yeah.
a different, your different avatar is as a chef. And you're so supportive, you're so happy-go-lucky kind of. So, I mean, how do you balance your day-to-day? And even if she's a mother-in-law as well.
Yeah,
so,
yeah.
So, how do you manage day-to-day lifestyle?
So I take each day as it comes. Yeah, I really plan my days, yes. But more or less I feel, present should be happy. So if I am not happy now, I will not be able to do my work tomorrow. That is the motto. So whatever I'm doing, I give my full, and then I go on to the next work. So if I'm satisfied now, I can always do the other work with happy moments.
So good.
And you are the one who shares so much love to each and everyone who comes across to you.
Oh, thank you.
So where does this energy comes from?
Oh, food.
Oh
You
my
have to know that.
I agree.
So
That's a fuel.
the joke is I have never dreamt of anything else other than food.
Oh,
You've
that's
seen
so-
that movie जब भी met, she says कि कुछ गलत होता है तो ऐसा लगता है गाड़ी छूट रही है.
Oh my
मेरा
God.
कुछ गलत होता है तो ऐसा लगता है खाना
खाना
जल
छूट
रहा है. अगर अच्छा होता है तो खाना अच्छा ही बनता है सपने में भी.
Oh,
So
that's
tell me, what's your signature dish? जब अभी हम घर आएंगे आपके खाना खाने.
Oh, anything. मतलब
तो
बहुत.
आपकी
I
signature-
love
तो
experimenting.
signature आपका क्या I mean, what do you really cook and everybody loves आपके हाथ.
मैं बहुत सारी चीजें बनाती हूँ.
So,
and
हमको बहुत
every
सारी
day-
treats
हाँ,
मिलेगी.
ऐसा नहीं है.
So,
So I try not to repeat in my house also. In a month, we don't try to repeat
So
a thing.
Simran, why not? We should everyday's menu. We should
हाँ,
ask
my
to
voice
Seema.
was
आज
share
खाने
the
में
weekly
क्या
menu so
बनाना?
that it's
Yeah,
easy
why
for
not?
us.
Yeah.
And why not? It can be a good service project to RCJVPD.
Oh, why
सबके घर का एक ही problem. आज
Right,
खाने
right.
में क्या बनाना है? So share a weekly menu list with the healthy options.
Yes.
So-
So we'll definitely try to find healthy because cooks are not really trying to make you healthy. No.
Actually.
Nowadays we do try to do a lot of healthy stuff, and health is not only how you look, how you feel, how you smile, how you are just happy from inside.
Yes,
That
true.
is true.
That's very true. That's very true. So how does your day start? What are your hobbies other than cooking?
Oh, so looking at me, you will not believe, but I am an exercise freak. But I do eat a lot.
Okay.
So I love exercising. We do yoga and I swim every day. I really love
Oh,
swimming.
that's very nice.
And then definitely 10 to 12 hours a day still goes in the kitchen. So be it the restaurant kitchen or we have a center kitchen where we do a lot of experiments where we cook. We have to come up with new recipes for the catering service. So we do a lot of wedding caterings and all. We have a full unit of outdoor catering. So we do
that's
that.
Fantastic.
Yeah, so yeah, and my children have been really supportive, always.
That's so good. So
And,
your support system is really
yeah,
good.
really very strong, very strong. And they all have been foodies, so it has been like how my husband did. I make my children have that same dish 10 times till I perfect
Oh my
it.
God.
And poor children, they do have that.
They do actually.
हम भी आ सकते हैं.
Please,
Yes, she's very
Yeah.
good at that. So, Seema, you being into many different roles, what one piece of advice you would like us, new generation, to take away for a happy lifestyle, be it a marriage, be it a relation, or anything, in a general life?
Yeah,
So, one piece of advice.
One thing I always feel that you have one life, at least do what you like. If you are not happy, you cannot keep anyone around you happy.
True.
So when, you keep yourself happy, try to pursue your dreams, even if in a small way, try to get up early to fulfill. Instead of complaining, try to fulfill what you want, what you can do. Do small, try to bring smiles to even if you're maid. Give them a hot roti
Happiness,
and, the smile on her face. So that makes your day happy. And I really believe कि दुआएं बहुत लगती है.
As you said, even if you do it to your house help, it really helps because
Yeah.
charity begins at home.
At home,
yeah,
true.
Yeah.
That's so good.
And the छोटी-छोटी खुशियों में ही
खुशियों
होती
में,
है
yeah,
जिंदगी बड़ी.
yeah,
So-
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
So she actually follows that, and that's the take we all should.
Yeah, you
So
should.
tell us about how was the Vibrant journey this year?
Oh, this was amazing. So, we haven't been a Rotary member for very long. We just joined 1.5 years back. And really, we were a little reluctant because I have been a president of Archana. It is a ladies' club. So, as a couples club, I was not really sure. But when we entered the club, it was amazing. Everyone was so friendly. It feels that we have come into another family.
Right.
And it is amazing that how we bonded so well with so many people.
Yes.
And it is really like friends for life, we
Yes.
feel. And the year also, especially the sports, it kept us busy all full year and it was so happy.
Yes, the JPL.
We were trying to learn new things and it was really crazy.
And seeing Seema excelling in everything, like, can you imagine from the cricket to table tennis
it was
to
really
everything?
fun. It was really fun. Means we and वो बचपना लौट आया.
Actually.
I think the best thing you can do to yourself is keep the child alive in
Alive
you.
in you,
yeah.
The day you start thinking old, nothing will
yeah,
good happen to you.
Actually.
So actually, Rotary Club becomes like your family.
Yeah.
It's
And
an extended
amazing
family.
service projects.
Yes.
So I have always been working in the NGO, but amazing work. Like really very inspiring and it motivates you to do more.
So, it's a right balance of fun
Yeah,
and giving
yeah,
back to the society.
Society.
Very true,
So,
very true.
it's a good balance.
Yeah.
And I
Balance,
think
actually.
we all
And
excel
I
at it.
think your team is, we can see the bond. You all are so into each other. You can understand each other, and it is a very nice feeling to see all of you working so hard.
Thank
And
you
In
for
fact-
being an integral part of it.
Actually,
Thank you.
in fact, the SEMA has been an integral part. That is where we begin with the JPL auction ceremony in
Started.
July. So she has been so generously sponsored the entire event, and we are
Oh.
really having
Yes.
so much gratitude to
And
you
no,
and
this
your
is,
venture.
you were doing so much. We could have just added a
We really
small
appreciate it. It means a
something.
lot.
It actually means a lot to
No,
us.
it is,
Yes.
I think the love you all gave us was, there was no, you cannot really repay that.
So Seema, soon we are having our first ever RCJVPD's Baku trip. So
Oh, I
share
am
some
so
excitement.
excited. And you must be knowing we are like almost 8-9 couples coming from the same building.
Yeah.
So you should see the excitement. We're going shopping, and the excitement is another level. The men are making their plans, and the ladies are making their plans. And it has been divided. Ki you take the cards, and you take this, and you take the
my
games.
God.
So you should see the excitement in our building,
Actually.
and it is amazing.
Actually, and we all are really super excited to have
Yeah,
our
and we are
first
so
ever
happy.
thing. Yes.
Like it's a,
So happy.
and it is giving us a chance for all dear friends,
To be
like
together
to be
for
together
full-
for so long,
Yeah.
So how we used to think about those pajama party, we'll relive now.
Actually. So Simran, don't you think it's Chola Bhatura time now?
Yes, totally.
So stay bold, stay vibrant, because we are the vibrant queens. Thank you so much, Seema, for
Thank you.
sharing your story with us
And the
here.
secret of success recipe with us.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Looking forward to have more stories. Thank you. Signing off for the day. Bye-bye.
Bye.